Gillespie ground, Cessna 7010 Papa at SA with information kilo, request a taxi to some right.
Cessna 7010 Papa, Gillespie ground, runway 27 right, taxi via Alpha and Delta, cross runway 35.
Alpha Delta and crossing runway 35, Cessna 7010 Papa. Gillespie Tower, Cessna 7010 Papa, runway, run-up area to some right to request right close traffic.
7010 Papa, Gillespie Tower, roger, hold short runway 27 right, number 2.
Holding short 27 right, number 2, Cessna 7010 Papa.
Cessna 10 Papa, make right traffic, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, cut space for final.
Power idle, keep the nose in position, and then slowly start pulling back to round out.
Yep.
Nice and slow. Right about here, level off, hold it level. Continually slowly pull back, and back, and back, and back, and back. A little bit more back pressure to stop it from descending, right?
Yep.
Flaps up.
Flaps up.
Left aileron for the wind.
Left aileron.
Don't force against my hand.
Okay.
And full power.
Full power.
And it's normal takeoff, okay?
Yeah.
Touch and go. 55 knots, rotate.
55, rotate.
And wings level, good. Touch and go, good job.
Yeah, thanks.
So, power idle.
Idle.
Right rudder,
Right
left aileron like this, okay?
Okay.
Round out, slowly pull back, slowly pull back. Hold it level here, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up, hold it up. That's it, that's it, that's it. Perfect, awesome. Flaps up.
Flaps up.
Left aileron.
Left aileron.
And full power.
Full power.
Second attempt, nice work.
No, thanks.
55, rotate.
Rotate.
And wings level.
Wings
That's
level.
it, good. You got it, I didn't even have to control the flare. That's it.
Less
Lower the
power.
nose slightly because we're slightly slow. Lower the nose, don't get scared of the ground. Lower the nose. Power idle.
Idle.
Round out.
Round
Right
out.
rudder.
Right rudder.
Left aileron.
Left aileron.
Left aileron. And flare, 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 flare. That's it. Bit more right rudder. You see we side loaded?
Yeah.
Because we need right rudder, left aileron.
Flaps up. And full power.
Left aileron, right rudder.
Okay.
Until you rotate.
And 55 knots, rotate, wings level.
Power idle. Round out. And the flare you got down. Just hold it level. Hold it up. Look at the end of the runway. Keep adding back pressure. Keep adding back pressure. Until it does that.
Oh.
Flaps up.